Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up an autoresponder email for your JotForm? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up an autoresponder with your JotForm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business running lead magnets, you know it's important to automate as much as possible. So with JotForm, you can set it up that way. If somebody sends their information in one of your JotForms, they can automatically receive an email that can include your lead magnet, a PDF, or just maybe some more information or a link of your choice. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to have an autoresponder set up through JotForm, you do have to have a GDP disclosure on all of your forms before you're allowed to set up an autoresponder. Also, another thing I want to let you know is that the autoresponder is set up at the form level. It's not on the entire account. So for each JotForm you want an autoresponder for, you're going to have to go into each form and set that up. So first, I'm going to show you how to set up the GDPR disclosure. It's free. So what you're going to do here on the home screen, click on your profile icon here on the top. Once you click on there, you're going to see this drop down menu, and you want to click here on settings. Okay, once you click on settings, it's going to give you this menu here on the left. Make sure that you've clicked on settings, the gear icon. You should see these various data points about your account. And what you're going to do is just scroll down until you see autoresponder emails. Okay, you can see it's down here towards the bottom, autoresponder emails. You need to make sure this box is checked. Otherwise, you will not be able to set up an autoresponder in your JotForm. So mine's already checked. So next, in order to set up your autoresponder, let's go back to the home screen. Okay, so once you're here on the home screen, you're going to click on all forms. Once you do that, you'll see all of the JotForms you have. You can see I just have these two, and then you want to choose which JotForm you're going to add an autoresponder to. So for example, this one, we're going to hover over it. It's going to turn purple, and you're going to see these three options on the right. Click on edit form. Okay, so once you click on edit form, you're going to see your JotForm, and to set up an autoresponder, you're going to click on settings here on the top center. All right, once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on emails. Okay, we're almost there. So in order to set up an autoresponder email, you're going to click on this blue button, add email. All right, once you do that, you're going to have these three options. So notification email. So this is when you're going to receive a notification that a form was submitted. Second is autoresponder email, which is what we're working on today. Okay, so here is how we can go ahead and set up an autoresponder. So we're going to be able to choose when this autoresponder goes out. It can go out immediately, or you can set it up for the next day, 2 days later, 3 days later. It's up to you. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and set up an email subject. So if you are sending your lead magnet, so for example, if they sent their information in your form expecting some sort of a PDF, maybe we can go ahead and change this to here is your PDF file. So you know your customers better than I do. So maybe you want to put something relevant. If you are offering a taco recipe, maybe you can go ahead and put in here, here is your taco recipe. And next right here, it's pre-populated with the form information that the person submitted. You can leave that, and then you can add information right here to the top. Usually I'm going to go ahead and just delete this. Okay, so now I start with a fresh slate. So, hey, thanks for signing up. Here is your PDF. And then you can add pictures. It's just like setting up a regular email. Add in whatever information you want here. Now, the next thing is pretty important. Click on advanced here on the top right. Okay, so if you are sending a PDF, so again, if this is some sort of a lead magnet, you're going to go ahead and check this box, and then you can go ahead and upload your PDF right here. And if we scroll down a little bit further, this is important. Send email later. So if you just leave this at right away, what's going to happen is when they submit your JotForm, your autoresponder email is going to go out right away. So if you want to delay that, so maybe 1 day later, you can go ahead and click there. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and choose your sender email address. So this is something you can set up, or you can go ahead and change by clicking on this button. And then once you have all this filled out, you're going to click on save. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see our autoresponder is set up for this particular JotForm. So anytime somebody sent their information into this JotForm, they're going to get this autoresponder right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up an autoresponder for your JotForm, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.